A new feature added in 2019 with the 2019-1 software update is A+B Quick Line. Previously, as we can see down in the shortcut bar, we had a feature called Quick Line. Quick Line was very useful, but in some cases, because of the nature of the shortness of the line that was set, sometimes it didn't give us quite the right heading going across the field, or setting an A and B point at each end will sometimes work better. If you would like to use the new A+B Quick Line, we'll need to add it to the shortcut bar. So we'll go to Menu, go to Applications, go to Layout Manager, select the shortcut bar, select Default Shortcut Bar, select our Quick Line, and remove. Select the plus button to add a new shortcut, go to Applications, select Auto Track Guidance. Scroll down until we find the A+B. Go ahead and select Add, and then Save. Return to the Run page, and we can now see that we have A+B in the shortcut bar. To use A+B Quick Line, simply push the A+B button in the shortcut bar. This will set our A point, and then we will be instructed to drive to our B point. We'll have to drive at least 10 feet before it will allow us to set the B point. Notice as we start driving, you can see the A point is designated on the screen, and then we have a Set B button over on the right hand side. Simply drive to where you would like to set the B point, preferably at the other end of the field, typically works best. Select Set B, and we now have a new AB line. Notice up in the top right hand corner, the new line is called A+B Quick Line. This line is not saved to any field and can easily be overwritten. If I would like to set a new AB line, when I go to the next field, I can reuse AB Quick Line. Simply push the button in the shortcut bar, a new A point will be set, begin driving, and then a new B point can be set as well. A+B Quick Line works very well for applications such as tillage, where we do not need to reuse AB lines and we have an operator that's maybe not as experienced in the cab that we just want to get up and going. Notice in the bottom, the auto track designates and defaults to on, and then we can simply press our resume switch on the machine to engage auto track. This is how you use the new A+B Quick Line feature.